friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing mango lemonade. Yes, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and refreshing mango lemonade, these are my ingredients. I have granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, lemons, and of course, mangoes. This is everything you need to enjoy and refresh yourself with an amazing mango lemonade. So let's get started. Well, first things first, getting ready my lemons. These lemons are organic from my garden, and yes, they have lots of juice. And let me show you, with this little gadget, I am going to remove all the juice from the lemons. This is what takes much longer, getting all your ingredients ready to make your amazing mango lemonade. Look at this. With this little gadget, you don't leave anything behind. And here I'm getting all the juice out. And of course, I'm going to remove the seeds. Look at this. I got about 1 cup of lemon juice. And it is so hot here in California that I'm really going to enjoy this amazing mango lemonade. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Instead of buying those soft drinks, make a refreshing lemonade at home. Look at this, removing the seeds, of course. And now I am ready to start preparing my ripe mangoes. Be very careful. Take your time to remove the skin. Remove the skin and don't remove the pulp. And this is going to take time, but believe me, this mango lemonade really comes out so delicious and so creamy, and the color just amazing. When I say I'm the queen of the lemonades, it's because I love making my lemonades at home. Instead of buying soft drinks, why not make a delicious with the fruit that is in season? Make your lemonades. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Now I am ready to get the pulp out of the mango. And these small little mangoes have so much pulp and yet doesn't have too much fiber. And of course, being very careful, I am going to remove all the pulp. Once this is done, I am going to transfer it into my blender cup. And I'm using my NutriBullet. In the NutriBullet, I don't make any salsas. The NutriBullet is specially only for my lemonades and my smoothies. And now I'm adding the juice of the lemon, 1 tablespoon of mud fruit. That's how I'm going to sweeten this amazing mango lemonade. Of course, if you are using regular sugar, make sure that you make your simple syrup so that you use less sugar. How do you make it? 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. You put it to boil until it's crystal clear. Then just put it aside and let it come to room temperature. And then you're ready to sweeten your amazing lemonades. Look at the texture. It's really thick, really smooth. And of course, we're going to add some water to this. Now I am ready. I am ready to pour it into my pitcher and add 2 more cups of regular water. Look at this. Really smooth, really refreshing. And I am sure once you make it, you're really going to love it. I'm going to rinse the cup, the blender cup, and then just add into this amazing lemonade. Mix it very well. Incorporate everything. Remember, sweetness is to taste. You could add more sweetness. You could leave it just as is. And now I am ready. I am ready to prepare my glass. I'm not going to add any ice to the pitcher. I am going to add the ice directly into my glass. I want to make sure that I do not dilute this amazing mango lemonade. And now this is where the magic begins. Look how beautiful the color is. The color of the mango, and of course, my glass full of ice. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing mango lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So refreshing. The flavor of the mango so concentrated, just perfect at home. Let me tell you, this mango lemonade is perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and refreshing mango lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.